am mad. I clicked the wrong button. I clicked the wrong button. And now I don't know whether or not it's working or whatever. I can't go back. Once you click on tabs or your browser, you can't go back where you were. I'm clicking. I said, wait a minute, where is the... Now I have to start all over again to check the volume up so to reduce the echo of this thing. This toy thing, if it continues to do this, I'm going to get another apps and get another camera and do this all over again, because it's messing up my computer stereo sound from it. So I like to, do a video instead of just taking pictures and photos, and that's just it. But that's what I'm planning on doing, because it's messing up my computer, the stereo sound.